So for the burnt pile of bones display here, instead of using nasty black ass spray paint that doesn't come off, we are just rubbing a skull on a charred log to get the real desired effect. And then you just sort of rub it lightly, and you're going to get the blacks and grays you desire without buying spray paint. It's free. Yeah. Free. You can hit it wherever you want and get the same desired effect here with charcoal. Just, rub some charcoal on it. No spray paint needed. We're getting that burnt, charred look here. So I'm just gonna do that with these bones, and we'll be back when we get them all covered up. And just take our bone and rub it on here, and get tons of nice black. Look at that. Non-toxic, washes right off, not permanent. Of course, if it rains, you're going to want to either get these out of the rain or redo them, but right now this is quick, it's free, no paint needed. Yeah, I don't know how well this is coming out on the camera, but you can't get much more of an authentic look than actual charcoal on your bones. And we take some real ash from the fire pit. Now, of course, to really make this effect pop at night, I would have some orange LED lights underneath this, buried in some ashes and sticks and glowing and everything, but we're getting there. Okay, this is some bonus footage just for Mr. Halloween 365 shout out. Had some absolutely great finds this year due to his amazing videos. Here's some of my collection. Painted those. That's from Etsy. This lantern is also from Etsy. Wooden lanterns are from Etsy too, and this ceramic one here. And there she is. There's my spider. Hanging up there on a hook. Painted that on some old plywood with some latex paint. That might look familiar. Instead of buying it, I just painted it on some old plywood outside. So, there's that. Villains, I shrieked, disassemble no more. I admit the deed. Tear up the planks. Hear, hear. It is the beating of his hideous heart. Yeah, I couldn't resist this one either.